Yeah, but this is something I hear a lot when I'm talking about the rules and they're looking at the original Roman mosaics and they're saying, size, we want the average size. Yeah, but I see different sizes in a mosaic. Yeah, but I've seen inconsistent spacing. Yeah, but I've seen triangles instead of keystones on a curve. Yeah, but line transition, haven't seen that done properly. Yeah, but I've seen them not offset. Yeah, but I've seen some without borderlines on them. Okay, you're going to get inconsistencies in these. Offset, there's a particular design which you don't offset them. Borderlines, you will see mosaics without some of the borderline, but borderline is still always there. Yeah, but you will see inconsistencies in this because what you are looking at is individual mosaicists, individual workshops applying to their standard of work. That is why I say when you learn classical andamento, when you learn the rules, learn the gold standard. Be able to take something like a cartoon car and fill it, draw in the lines of tesserae, using the rules, using the principles in classical andamento, because then you get to understand what it looks like when it's done really well. Then you go and look at Roman mosaics, then you go and look at the originals, and then you see, oh, that's the way, I'd see that is missing there, and see there's some triangles on the curves there, and I look at the rest of the mosaic, and you see, well, that's their standard of work. That's just something that they do, but you will still see the rules there.